Acidic strength of oxoacids. There are different types of oxoacids. So, HOX. Here we are going to calculate the oxidation states of oxoacids, especially. Therefore, let us calculate the oxidation states of halogen in each of these oxoacids. First, HOX, hypohalous acid. Hypohalous acid, hydrogen 1, oxygen is minus 2, plus X equal to 0, X equal to plus 1. That is the reason this acid is known as halic 1 acid. So the terminology is given based on the calculation of oxidation state of the halogen. So what is X? X is the X. Here X is the oxidation state of halogen. Second acid, HXO2. So oxidation state of halogen is oxidation state of halogen plus 3. Therefore these acids are called halic 3 acids. Next, HXO3, 1 plus X minus X equal to 0, X equal to plus 5. These acids are called halic 3 acids are known as halous acids too. They are called halous acids. So it's called halic 5 acid, or we'll call them as halic acids. So this is stock notation, this is common name. Last one is HXO4, 1 plus X minus 8 is equal to 0, X equal to plus 7. So these acids are called halic 7 acids, or they are known as perhalic acids.